everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change or edit profile picture in BeReal application. So for that, open the application first. Once you open the BeReal application, what you gotta do over here is you need to tap on your profile name on the top right corner of your screen. Tap that. Then there you need to tap on edit my profile. Tap on it. This will direct you to this page over here where you will be able to edit or make changes in your profile. So to change or edit your profile picture, you need to tap on the circle with the camera icon. Tap that. And there you will have the option of take a picture, pick from my gallery. You can choose a option of how you want to upload a profile picture. I'm just gonna go with the pick from my gallery. Allow BeReal to access photos and media on your device. Tap on allow, and from there you will be able to choose a profile picture. Just tap that picture and then tap on tick mark on the top right. This will upload the new profile picture for your BeReal account. Now then you need to tap on tick mark to save these changes. Tap on tick. And with that, the profile picture has been changed. So this is how you can change or edit profile picture in BeReal. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.